Hello guys, so for today's vlog, it's all about the eligible travelers from 13 additional countries that IRCC has added. It says that if you're one of those people from the eligible countries who has held a Canadian visa in the last 10 years or someone who holds a valid United States non-immigrant visa, then you can now apply for an ETA instead of applying for a visa, and this is only when you travel by air. Remember that an ETA is an entry requirement for visa-exempt foreign nationals traveling to Canada by air. This is actually a good news for those people who has a Canadian visa or who has had a Canadian visa, because this will give an opportunity for their families to be reunited. What are these added countries? Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Costa Rica, Morocco, Panama, Philippines, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and Grenadines, Seychelles, Thailand, Trinidad and Tobago, and Uruguay. In addition, IRCC also said that the visa-free air travel will make it faster, easier, and more affordable for thousands of travelers to visit Canada for up to 6 months, whether it be for business or leisure. This will also help grow Canada's economy by facilitating more travel, more tourism, and international businesses, and strengthen Canada's relationships with the 13 countries while keeping Canadians safe. They also said that those who already have a valid visa can continue to use it to travel to Canada. However, those who are not eligible for an ETA or who are traveling to Canada by other transportation like car, bus, train, boat, cruise, and ship will still need a visitor visa. Now for me, this is actually a good news even to those who have expired Canadian visa, because they can also apply for an ETA. How much does it cost? It costs $7 Canadian, and most applications are approved within minutes. Just remember though that if you're going to apply for an ETA, you need to have your passport ready, a credit card, a valid email address, and access to the internet. Remember that in April 2017, IRCC first expanded its ETA program to include eligible Brazilians, Bulgarians, and Romanians, and Canada lifted the visa requirement for all citizens of Bulgaria and Romania later that year. So this is why we need to stay tuned and updated to Canada's press release, because from time to time they change the rules. Now, what does this mean also for those people who are waiting for their study permit approval? They can also apply for an ETA, but whether this has a bearing on their study visa application is yet to be known. We'll check on this one from time to time. And what is the validity or duration of their stay? Some people claimed though they got 5 years validity, but for me it will also depend with your passport's validity. That's it for this latest news, and if you have any questions, just put it in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them. Don't forget also to like and share it as well, and watch out for our latest information and more adventures from us here as well. Paalam!